everyone, my name is Zelda and you are watching Zelda Sews. Well, I am in my Rivermont dress by Cashmerette. It is a repeat. I am on repeats. So my videos will not be daily anymore because I don't have enough makes. So that means I have to get on the ball with sewing. I still have my I do have a laundry day tee I am making. Excuse me. And I'm taking it to the sewing social this week so that I have something to sew. I know it's pretty quick, it's easy, and I serged all the ends so that I don't have to deal with unserged seams. This is the first time I've done it before I actually sew the garment together. Usually I sew it and then I serge it. So we shall see. More water here. Okay. Hold on. All right. I have the Rhapsody. I have the Rhapsody blouse. I have the pattern printed. I did my muslin, my toile, and I have not cut out my good fabric yet, but I think I probably will not do it this week because this week is kind of busy for me, and it's the social. I get a little nervous when that comes up because I just do. I'm excited about it, and then I think I overthink it. I overthink it. Just go and have fun. That's what I'm doing. I have a lot of fun. I did have a lot of fun. I have to bake some cookies this time. So Tony's off the hook with cooking fried chicken. He cooked fried chicken last time and it was awesome. So this time it's just cookies and just finger foods so that people can grab something to eat real quick, have a coffee, and then go back to whatever it is they're doing. Let me see, what else is new? I made a laundry day tee for Amaya because she keeps taking my laundry day tees and putting them on and walking around the house and looking like what was it? The Addams Family, Morticia. You know how she would walk through and I think her dress would be hanging behind her. That was Maya, but I'm going to put right here a picture of Maya and her twirling around in her laundry day tee. It is a little big, but it works. I did the extra small and it said for a standard bust 30.5 and she's maybe like a 24, 25 chest area. So it is big, but it looks good and she's happy with it. She's wearing it and doesn't want to take it off. So that is the most important thing. Tomorrow is the last day. If you haven't seen my video from yesterday, go ahead and take a look at that. And I believe that is it for now. Please catch me on Friday Sews. I am going to try to do videos maybe twice a week, like midweek, whatever I'm doing, and then the Friday Sews. I'm not sure what it will entail. It'll just be today, I guess, in Zelda's sewing room. Not taken away from Jen, not at all. It's just whatever's in Zelda's sewing room. I might name it that. And you're not getting away without a scripture. No, no, no. No, no, no. Okay. This is Psalm 16, verse 7. I will bless the Lord who hath given me counsel. My reins also instruct me in the night seasons. I pray that blessed you. And if you want to know more about it, I invite you to search out the scriptures for yourself. So God bless you. I will see you in the comments. God bless you. And you'll see me on my next upload. Bye for now.